What's up guys, I'm DJ Avionics, and if you're a music video DJ, then I got something special for you guys. Come on through. So the past week I've been working hard on creating what I call neon effects stingers. These are to be used with MixEmergency's video sampler, and what these are short, transparent video clips of text that contain your DJ name that animate in and out during your music video set and makes your set stand out, letting people know who's in that music video mix. You can find these animated stingers at my online store, dbline.equid.com. I've come up with 39 different neon effects designs, with each one including a second variant for the price of only $8 a design. So you get two neon FX stingers, a masked version and an unmasked version. When you click on any of the designs, please be sure to read the details carefully, and there are preview videos of each sample in the item description. When you make your order, be sure to know what font type or font face you want ahead of time. For example, if you want me to use the popular Impact font face, type it in right here. In the next field, type in your DJ name, and that's what's going to appear on the screen. And don't forget to select your color, which you can choose the default color of the design, which is shown in all the videos and the pictures, or any other color listed. After you've added all the different designs to your cart and made your purchase, you'll receive a receipt in your email. Now, the turnaround time for getting your digital downloads of all your designs you purchase will take no more than 48 hours, but most likely it will be finished before the end of the day you ordered. At that point, I will send you your digital downloads in the form of a WeTransfer email. WeTransfer is the file sharing service that I use. After you've downloaded your files, simply open up MixEmergency and open up the video sampler and drag and drop the MOV video file into an available slot. Now all you gotta do from here is click in the window to trigger your stinger, and bam! Like I said, you can find these at dbline.equid.com. Go ahead and browse the t-shirt section and everything else while you're there, while you're at it, while I have some DJ themed designs that I drew up myself, including the shirt that I'm wearing right now. As always, thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to hit that like button, leave any comments or questions down below, and I will get back to them ASAP. And please hit that subscribe button and ring that notifications bell so you can be notified of future videos.